How do I order online? To place an order on cloverimaging.com, you must first become a registered user. To become a registered user, you must fill out the reseller registration form. Once your registration has been approved, you can begin placing orders. To place an order, click on the Login link at the top of the page. Enter your login information and click Login. Once you have logged into your account, the easiest way to search for products is by using the quick search box in the upper right-hand navigation. You can search by item number, OEM, SKU, printer model, and many other keywords. Once you find the product you are searching for, you can add it to your cart from the search results page, or you can click to view more product details. On the product details page, enter the required quantity and click on Add to Cart. Once the product is in your cart, you can either search for and add more products to your cart, or you can proceed to checkout by clicking on Checkout. On the checkout page, select the Ship To address for this order. If you have set up a default address, that address will always be pre-populated. You can also search for addresses by city name, street name, business name, or zip code, or you can add a new address. Next, select the carrier and the service level for shipment. Now, choose your payment option. You can select terms, if available, an existing credit card, or you can add a new card. Under the Order Overview and Details section, you have the ability to add a destination label. A destination label is placed on the outside of the shipping box and can include information such as customer reference number, department, and/or contact name. If there are any notes that are pertinent to us processing your order, you can include those in the Notes field. To complete your transaction, you must agree to terms and conditions and click on Place the Order. Your order is now being processed. You will receive an email order confirmation within a short amount of time and a shipping confirmation when your order ships. Thank you for your business.